Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this tutorial today, we are going to continue our discussion on HTML colors. So quickly, let's get started. So today we are talking about HTML color values. In HTML, colors can also be specified using RGB values, HEX values, HSL values, RGBA values, and HSLA values. For example, you can have your H1 tag along with the style attribute along with the background color property from the CSS along with the RGB along with the RGB value, the value of the color you want to use. The same thing goes to the X is identified by hash symbol. The HSL is identified by HSL, the RGBA identified by RGBA, and HSLA. So quickly, let me show you how it looks on the browser. Then in our other video, we are going to discuss much more deeper about it. So firstly, let me show you how it works first. We are going to discuss on RGB and HSL, and also we are going to discuss about RGB, HEX, and HSL values, and RGBA values, and also HSLA values in our other video. But let me show you how it looks first before you can understand what we are going to talk about. In our other video, we have discussed about this. This is how where we stopped. We stopped from the border, where we discussed about border. So let me show you how our document looks. This is how our borders looks. So if you haven't watched the video, you can go back to the one video before this one. You can go and check it. So let us quickly use RGB here. Let's write RGB, right, opening and closing tag, write 23, 43, 53. That's what I want to use. I want to use this color. So I'll use 77. See this blue color. So let's save it and see how our browser looks. This will change. Can you see? Let me make it bigger so you can see the color we have put. Let's do 23. This so you can see the color we are using. This is the color we are using right now. So because we specify the color, we mix the color here. This is, you can see, save it. See, so the same thing goes with the HEX. HEX color is identified by using hash. So let's use hash and write the HEX on, so you can see how it also works. Hash 44 FF 22. So you see, let's save it and reload the document and see how this one will change. So can you see how it looks now? And the same thing goes with the HSL also. The HSL can also have this. HSL can also have this 20 or 112, or you can have 20, 28, 55, 34. So you can have it like that, or you can have percentage with it. Let's see how it looks first. Can you see? No, it doesn't show because we haven't had percentage here. Let's add percentage here and also percentage here, and let's reload it. You can see this one is using percentage. If you don't use percentage in this here, in this place, I'm going to discuss about it much more better in the future. And also let us use HSLA, the HSLA, and also let us use the HSLA along with the RGBA. The RGBA is going to have RGBA opening and closing tag 55, 66, 77, 0.7. You will see how it looks. You can see, and also this one also can have this, and let us put four values. let's use 44, 66%. Don't forget your percentage. And 33, don't forget your percentage. And also the A value, let's use 5. Can you see how the both looks? So let us see how the two will looks. See them. This is the RGB one and this is the HSLA one. RGBA looks like this and the HSLA looks like this. So those colors works perfectly. So in the future tutorial we are going to discuss about these attributes, this RGB, this property, the RGB property, the X property, HEX property, and HSL property, RGBA property, HSLA. Sorry, we don't put A here. A. So let's put the A and see how it looks. Sorry, mistake. So let's reload our document. You see, this is the A. So it looks also the same. So all this we are going to discuss about them: RGB, X and HSL, RGBA and HSLA. So watch out for this tutorial, for a new tutorial on it. So that will be our next topic. Note, you will learn more about color values. You will learn more about RGB, X and HSL in the next chapters. So once again, my name is Anwar Akorede Ayofe. I think if you can look very well, we have finished the topic on our HTML. We are almost finished our HTML color chapter. So we haven't done yet. We have more ways to go. So I hope to see you next time. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye bye.